Hello students, today we are discussing a important topic of class 7th, that is the heating effect of electric current. That means when electric current passes through any of the element, or we can say any filament of the bulb or element of the heater, then they becomes hot. This is called the heating effect. When current passes through any of the conductor, then that conductors becomes hot. This effect is called the heating effect of electric current. For example, we have the bulb filament. You all know that the shape of the bulb is like this, and there is a filament. This filament is made up of the tungsten wire. This tungsten wire has high melting point, so that when the high amount of current passes through this tungsten wire, then it will not melt easily. Now, what is the reason of this heating effect? Why this current show this heating effect? The reason of this is because of the conductors. There are some conductors which resist the flow of current. Resist means they oppose the flow of current. What is the meaning of resist? Meaning of resist is to oppose, means अपने में से पास नहीं होने देना चाहते. So these conductors, they resist the flow of current through them. Because of this resistance, the electrical energy converts into heat energy. As we know that we have the law of conservation of energy. According to law of conservation of energy, the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can convert from one form to another form. So in this process, the electrical energy is converting into the heat energy. Now, what are the factors on which this heating effect depends? There are mainly 5 factors on which this heating effect of current depends. The first one is the strength of the current. Strength means कितने पावर का करंट हमारे पास आ रहा है. That if the strength of the current is more, then the heating effect will be more. Second is material of the conductor. If it is a good conductor, the conductors are good, then this heating effect produced will be less. ठीक है. So good conductors में less heating effect produce होगा. पुअर कंडक्टर्स में ज़्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होगा, बिकॉज द गुड कंडक्टर्स आर द कंडक्टर्स विच अलाउ द करंट टू पास थ्रू देम ईजीली. और जब ईजीली पास होने देंगे तो वो अपोज ही नहीं करेंगे, और जब अपोजिशन ही नहीं है तो हीटिंग इफेक्ट भी प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगा. सो फॉर द गुड कंडक्टर्स द हीटिंग इफेक्ट विल बी लेस. दैट मीन्स द टंगस्टन इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड कंडक्टर. The third factor is the length of the conductor. The more the length of the conductor, if the length will be more, then this heating will be more. That means the length of the conductor and the heat, they are directly proportional to each other. Have you seen the filament of the bulb and the element of the heater? वो कैसे बने होते हैं? वो इस तरह से उनके अंदर ऐसे कॉइलिंग होती है. तो ये कॉइलिंग से क्या हो रहा है? द लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर, द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉइल इज मोर, सो द हीटिंग इफेक्ट विल बी मोर. So this heating effect is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. जितनी ज़्यादा लेंथ होगी उतना ही हीटिंग इफेक्ट भी ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस होगा. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज the thickness of the conductor. It is inversely proportional. Suppose we are denoting this thickness with A. This thickness is inversely proportional to heat, or we can say heat is inversely proportional to the thickness of the wire. ये वायर कितनी पतली होती हैं? जो एलिमेंट है, फिलामेंट है बल्ब का, और जो एलिमेंट है हीटर का, वो बहुत ही फाइन होगा, बहुत ही पतला होता है. दैट बिकॉज द थिकनेस विल बी लेस, द हीटिंग इफेक्ट विल बी मोर. So these are opposite to each other. So this is called the inversely proportional. This heating effect is inversely proportional to the area, or we can say the thickness of the wire, thickness of the conductor. Fifth one is the time. This heating effect is directly proportional to time. अगर हम ज़्यादा देर के लिए करंट पास करेंगे तो ज़्यादा हीटिंग इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करेगा, थोड़ा रोक रोक के करेंगे तो हीटिंग इफेक्ट लेस प्रोड्यूस होगा। आपने देखा होगा कि अगर फ़ोन को ज़्यादा देर तक चार्जिंग पे लगा दें या ज़्यादा देर यूज़ करें तो वो हीट हो जाता है। टीवी ज़्यादा देर चला रहे हैं तो टीवी के ऊपर हाथ लगा के देखें तो वो गर्म मिलता है। दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द हीटिंग इफेक्ट। ज़्यादा टाइम यूज़ करेंगे, यूटिलाइज़ करेंगे तो हीटिंग इफेक्ट भी मोर प्रोडक्शन होगी। So these are the factors, 5 factors on which the heating effect of electric current is depends. Now the next one is the application. What are the applications of this heating effect? हम ये heating effect of electric current क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें उसकी need है. What are the applications? What are the uses of this heating effect of electric current? The first application is it is used in the hot plates, electric irons, water heaters. इन सब में ये यूज़ किया जाता है, टोस्टर में, इलेक्ट्रिक कैटल में, इन सब के अंदर ये हीटिंग इफेक्ट को यूज़ किया जाता है. These all the appliances they contain some heating element. ये इन सब में एक एलिमेंट होगा. This element is also called the coil. ठीक है, इस हीटिंग एलिमेंट को कॉयल भी बोलते हैं. जस्ट लाइक दिस, इस तरह से ये कॉयल होगी और इसको हम बोलते हैं हीटिंग एलिमेंट. Now this heating element is made up of the nichrome. Nichrome, which is made by two words Ni and Chrome. Nichrome. Ni means nickel and chrome means chromium. So this nichrome is an alloy. Alloy means which is the mixture of the metals or metal and non-metal. So these nickel and chromium, these are the two metals, and so that this nichrome is called the alloy. So what are alloys? Alloys are the mixture of metals, two metals or a metal and a non-metals. So these nickel and chromium, these are the two metals. In this nichrome wire, nichrome alloy, 80% nickel and 20% chromium is there. So it is a combination of 80% nickel and 20% chromium. Why we are using this nichrome as the heating element? Because it has high resistance. और अभी हमने पढ़ा अगर resistance ज़्यादा होगा तो वो heating effect भी ज़्यादा produce करेगा, resist करेगा, oppose करेगा. तो oppose करने से heat ज़्यादा produce होगी. सपोज टू फ्रेंड्स के बीच में लड़ाई हो रही है, वो दोनों एक दूसरे को अपोज कर रहे हैं तो उनका झगड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो वो हीट, गुस्सा ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. दैट इज़ द हाई रेजिस्टेंस. Second one is the high melting point. This nichrome has high melting point, so that when high amount of current is passed through the nichrome wire, then it will not melt easily. That's why the nichrome is used as the heating element. So these all are the applications and the heating element. What is the composition of heating element?